In this video, you'll learn how to authenticate your domain in Mailchimp. This process is essential for ensuring your emails are delivered successfully and appear more professional to your audience. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp homepage, which features a clean layout with various options for managing your marketing campaigns. Next, locate and click on your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Profile Page will load, displaying your account details and settings. After that, look for the Domains tab on the left sidebar of the profile page. Click on Domains to view your current email domains. A new screen will appear showing any domains you've already added and options for managing them. Once this appears, find the section labeled Website Domains. Click on this to access the settings for connecting a new domain. You will now see a prompt that explains how to connect your existing domain to Mailchimp, enhancing the professionalism of your email campaigns. Next, there will be an option that states if you already own a domain from another domain provider, you can connect it to give your landing pages and website a more professional look. Click on this link to proceed with the domain connection process. The following screen will guide you through the steps necessary to authenticate your domain. After that, locate and click on the button that says Connect a Domain. This action will prompt you to enter the domain name you wish to authenticate. Enter your domain name accurately and ensure there are no typographical errors before proceeding. This step is crucial as it impacts the verification process. Once you enter your domain, Mailchimp will provide you with specific DNS records that you will need to configure with your domain provider. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your DNS records, this may take some time to update. Finally, after updating your DNS settings with your domain provider, return to Mailchimp and check the status of your domain. It may take a few minutes for Mailchimp to validate the changes. Look for a confirmation message indicating that your domain has been successfully authenticated. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.